Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your first Google AdWords account. So first things first, you're going to need a Gmail account for this. Now if you have one, great. If you don't, super easy to set up. You just go to gmail.com and quickly fill out their form and you're good to go. Once you have that set up, you're going to want to navigate to adwords.google.com and click on the Start Now button. This will take you to a guided setup. So the first thing you want to do is you actually want to skip the guided setup. And you'll land on this page here. Super important here that you make sure that this information that you put in is accurate, because this is one and done. Once it's set up, there's no going back. So you want to make sure that your email address is set up properly. You want to make sure that the country that you're doing business in is set up properly. So United States, the time zone that you're doing business in. So in my case, that's Mountain Time, and the currency that you're doing business in. So the US dollar for most of you watching this video. It'll probably be US dollars. So once those are set up properly, double check them, make sure they're good, click on Save and Continue. And then you're just going to be prompted to log in using your email address. And just give it a second to load. And you are pretty much good to go at this point. The next thing you probably want to do is just up here is you're gonna want to set up billing. So just up here on the wrench tool, just click that wrench tool, and under setup you're gonna see billing and payments. Click that, and just go through this form right here. Super simple, super straightforward. Set up your information and your method of payment, and click submit, and you're good to go. And that's it. That's your first AdWords account all set up and ready to go. Thanks for watching.